This is our Diogenes and Furan sampling kit as per EPA method 23A. So in this kit we have provided all the parts which required for the sampling of Diogenes and Furans. As you know that now these days there is a requirement for the incinerators, oxidation units for the measurement of Diogenes and Furans. So based on this requirement we have developed this kit. As you know that for the stationary sources monitoring, first of all we require to measure the temperature. So we have provided a thermocouple and one temperature indicator. So by using that you can measure the temperature, and after that you have to measure differential pressure in the duct or the chimney by using a pitot tube, and pitot tube is connected with this pressure indicator to measure the differential pressure, and after that using the Bernoulli equation we can find the velocity of flue gas. After that, based on the velocity calculation, we have to find the nozzle sizes to maintain the isokinetic sampling. But for Diogenes and Furans, all the setup, all the parts in stack kit is required to made up of glass. So we have used borosilicate glass to measure Diogenes and Furans to prevent the contaminations. So this is from the beginning of the kit. I want to explain you that this is the nozzle. So we are providing 3 or 4 types of nozzle to maintain the isokinetic flow. In this nozzle connected with the glass probe, and glass probe lined is fitted in a heated system. So this is the heated probe, we can say, and this is the thimble holder. So after glass probe we have connected the thimble holder, which is also the glass part. After that gas comes out through this glass tube and goes into the condenser. As we are controlling the temperature of this thimble holder and the probe 122, but requirement is 120 plus minus 14 degrees centigrade. This is mentioned in the method, so accordingly we are controlling the temperature. This is the temperature controller. You can see the temperature now 122 degrees centigrade, but requirement is 120 plus minus 14 degrees centigrade. So after this, when air comes in this condenser, so condenser cools the hot flue gases, and after that this cartridge is connected. So cartridge is filled with XAD2R resin. So all the PCDDs and PCDFs is absorbed in this resin, and this is connected with the condenser bottle. If moisture comes in the system, drain in this bottle. After that 4 impingers are connected in series to condensate the moisture. After that this gas is connected to the sampling kit, and sampling kit contains the controlling of the flow. We are controlling the flow through the rotameters. So we have provided 2 rotameters, but during the sampling of dioxin furans, only bigger rotameter is used. So as per the isokinetic sampling flow rate requirement, we will set the flow rate in this flow meter, and as we set the flow, we can start the stoppage. So stoppage gives the sampling time, because in sampling of dioxin furans, normally 6 to 7 hours are required to complete the sample. And there is a dry gas meter is also fitted in this, so we can directly find the volume of air pass throughout the sample. And when we start the sample, so there is a gauge is also provided at the top of this kit. So when we start, we note the pressure, and after completion, before that, we note the final pressure, because as you know that we are expressing the concentrations in normal meter cubes. So to normalize the volume of air pass, we are measuring the line temperature and the pressure during the sampling. After that, we are correcting our measured volume at normal condition and find the concentrations. After collecting this XAD or XAD2 resin cartridge, sampling, cover it with the aluminum foils and take it to the lab for the analysis. Analysis of this dioxins and furans to be done at high resolution gas chromatography and high resolution mass spectroscopy. So both the equipments can be used for that. So this is all about the dioxins and furan sampling. Thank you.